Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in today's class. I am MD Mustaq Ahmed, lecturer in English. Today we will discuss about the syllabus of HEC English first paper and second paper. At first we will discuss about the syllabus of English first paper, and the subject code is 107. In English first paper we will get two parts, part A and part B. In part A we will get a reading test, and there will be 60 marks for that. In question number 1 we will get a passage, or we can say that it is a first passage, and we have to answer question A and B from this passage. In A we will get choose the correct answer, and we will get 5 marks for that. In part B you have to answer 5 questions, and you will get 10 marks for that. In question number 2 you will get another passage, or you can say that a second passage. From second passage you have to answer flow chart. There will be 6 boxes, and the first box will be fill up with a line or phrase, and you have to answer or fill up the other 5 boxes according to the passage, and you will get 10 marks for that. In question number 3 you have to summarize the passage above or the second passage, and you will get 10 marks for that. In question number 4 you will get with clue, and there will be 5 marks for with clue. In question number 5 you will get without clue, and you will get 10 marks for without clue. In question number 6 we will find rearrange, and rearrange contain 10 marks. This is the end of part A, and in part B you will get writing test, and it contain 40 marks. In question number 7 in writing test you will get paragraph, and paragraph will contain 10 marks. In question number 8 you will get story, and you will get 7 marks for that. In question number 9 you will get email, and you will get 5 marks for that. In question number 10 you will get an graph chart, and the marks will be 10 for that. And in question number 11 you will have to write the theme of the poem, and you will get 8 marks for that. This is the end of English first part syllabus, and now we will discuss about the syllabus of English second paper. The subject code of second paper is 108. In English first paper you will get 2 parts, part A that is grammar, and part B there will be composition. In part A, or in grammar part, you will get 12 kind of grammar, and each of the item contain 5 marks. In question number 1 you will get article. Question number 2 you will get preposition. Question number 3 you will get phrase or words. In question number 4 you have to answer completing sentence. In question number 5 you have to answer correct form of verbs, or we can say it as right form of verbs. In question number 6 you will get transformation. In question number 7 there will be narration. In question number 8 it will be unclear pronoun. In question number 9 you will get modifiers. In question number 10 you will get connectors. In question number 11 you will answer antonyms or synonym, and question number 12 you will get punctuation. And each item contain 5 marks. That means in grammar part you will get 60 marks. In part B there will be composition or another writing part, and in writing part question number 13 you will get application and it will 8 marks for that. In question number 14 you will get report, and report also contain 8 marks. In question number 15 you will get paragraph and you will get 10 marks for paragraph. In question number 16 you will get composition, and for composition you will get 40 marks. This is the syllabus of English second paper. So you can get a complete idea about the syllabus of HEC English first paper and second paper from this video, and thank you for listening me. I think this video will helpful for you. Assalamu alaikum.